The moon has long been considered a powerful symbol in various cultures, associated with transformation, renewal, and energy cycles. Many spiritual traditions link the moon to intuition, feminine energy, and the ebbs and flows of life. Among the many practices related to lunar energy is the moonlight charging of money ritual, particularly during the event of a supermoon. This ceremony, rooted in ancient beliefs, involves charging money with lunar energy, intending to attract wealth and prosperity. In this video, we'll explore the significance of this ritual, its symbolism, how to conduct it, and the broader concepts of abundance manifestation. A supermoon occurs when the moon is at its closest point to Earth in its orbit, making it appear larger and brighter than usual. This phenomenon amplifies the moon's influence on energy, emotions, and spiritual practices. Since ancient times, people have looked to the moon for guidance, particularly during its full phase when its energy is believed to be at its peak. In metaphysical traditions, the full moon represents completion, realization, and the harvesting of intentions set earlier in the lunar cycle. When a supermoon appears, these themes of fulfillment and abundance become even more pronounced. The moonlight charging of money ritual harnesses this heightened lunar energy, channeling it toward financial prosperity. The moonlight charging of money ritual incorporates several powerful symbols. Coins or bills. Money is a direct symbol of wealth and abundance in the physical world. By charging these physical representations of wealth with moonlight, the participant infuses them with energetic vibrations of prosperity. Silver or green cloth. The colors used in this ritual are significant. Silver represents the moon itself and its feminine, intuitive energy. Green, on the other hand, is traditionally associated with growth, fertility, and financial wealth. By placing the money on either a silver or green cloth, the practitioner aligns with these symbolic energies. The moonlight. Moonlight is seen as purifying, energizing, and imbued with the power of transformation. It has been revered as a source of magic and mystery, capable of influencing both the natural and spiritual worlds. The ritual is simple and can be done by anyone with a desire to enhance their financial situation. Below is a step-by-step guide to conducting the moonlight charging of money ritual during a supermoon. Materials you will need. A few coins or bills symbolic of the wealth you wish to attract. A small cloth silver or green representing lunar energy and financial abundance. A window with a clear view of the sky or an outdoor space where the moonlight can reach the cloth. Prepare for the ritual. Before beginning the ritual, gather your materials and find a place where the moonlight can easily reach your setup. This could be by a window with a clear view of the night sky or outdoors in a peaceful space. It's essential that you perform this ritual on the night of a supermoon to maximize the lunar energy. Set your intention. Like all manifestation practices, intention is key. Before you place your money in the moonlight, take a moment to reflect on your financial goals. Visualize yourself surrounded by abundance and prosperity, imagining money flowing freely into your life. Hold on to that feeling of wealth and security, allowing it to fill you with positive energy. Lay out the money. Place the silver or green cloth on a flat surface, ensuring that it will be directly exposed to the moonlight. Next, lay the coins or bills on the cloth. As you do this, focus on your intention. This physical act of placing the money is symbolic of inviting wealth into your life. Charge the money with moonlight. Once your setup is complete, leave the money in the moonlight for a few hours or overnight. The idea here is that the lunar energy will charge the money, infusing it with prosperity and abundance. During this time, you may want to meditate or say affirmations related to your financial goals. Many people find that speaking aloud their intentions helps strengthen their connection to the energy they are working with. Retrieve and carry the money. In the morning, retrieve the money from the cloth and keep it in a special place, such as your wallet or a safe. The belief is that this money, having been charged by the moon's energy, will act as a magnet for more wealth. Whenever you see or use this money, you're reminded of your intention and the abundance you're working to attract. While moonlight charging of money is a powerful symbolic gesture, it works in conjunction with broader principles of abundance, manifestation, and the law of attraction. This law posits that like attracts like, meaning that the energy we put out into the universe will return to us. By performing rituals like moonlight charging with clear, positive intentions, you align yourself with the vibration of wealth and abundance, making it easier to attract those things into your life. In this context, the charged money acts as a physical token of your financial intention, helping you stay focused on your goal. However, like all manifestation practices, the key to success lies in maintaining a positive mindset, acting on opportunities, and trusting that the universe will provide what you need. Benefits of the moonlight charging of money ritual. Increased focus on financial goals. The act of setting intentions and conducting a ritual helps sharpen your focus on your financial goals. By performing this ritual, you're taking a proactive step toward attracting wealth, reinforcing your desire for prosperity. Alignment with lunar energy. The ritual taps into the potent energy of the supermoon, a time when many people believe the universe is more receptive to their desires. The full moon is associated with abundance and completion, making it an ideal time to work on attracting financial success. Mindfulness and visualization. The moonlight charging of money ritual encourages mindfulness and the practice of visualization, both of which are key components of manifestation. By visualizing yourself surrounded by wealth, you create a mental image that the universe can work to manifest. Boost in positive energy. Rituals involving the moon often leave participants feeling more connected to the universe and their spiritual goals. This surge of positive energy can have a ripple effect on other areas of life, not just financial well-being. While the moonlight charging of money ritual has a rich history rooted in spiritual practices, it's important to note that its efficacy is often tied to the belief system of the participant. Skeptics might view the ritual as purely symbolic, with no tangible effect on one's finances. From a practical perspective, charging money with moonlight does not guarantee an increase in wealth if it's not accompanied by real-world action. However, many proponents of manifestation argue that rituals like this can shift your mindset and energy, making you more receptive to opportunities and less likely to engage in self-limiting behaviors. In this way, the ritual serves as a tool for aligning your thoughts and actions with your desires. The moonlight charging of money ritual is a powerful and symbolic practice that taps into the ancient connection between the moon and manifestation. By aligning with lunar energy, focusing on positive financial intentions, and using the law of attraction, participants can create a pathway toward greater abundance. While the ritual itself may not be a magic bullet for financial success, it serves as a reminder that true wealth often begins with a mindset shift, believing in your ability to attract prosperity and acting in alignment with that belief. Whether one practices it out of tradition, spirituality, or simple curiosity, the moonlight charging of money can be a meaningful step in the journey toward financial abundance. Thanks for watching video.